powerful. Two major arcana cards. Hermit, Virgo card also, and the Taurus card, Hierophant. So here we have a teacher and a spiritual guide, or like really this kind of master of the inner journeys, inner work, possible even shadow work. And this is a spiritual leader card also, very like a two teachers. That's how they like reflect to each other. The twin flames are like mirror to each other. So one is having really like this hermit path, and one is like this kind of marriage card, in the sense that very connected to the community, but there is this, both are like teachers and leaders guiding others with their wisdom.